Oh my God, cousin, y'all gotta try this homemade natural juice. And I tell you, natural juice is the best juice you could ever drink before you even put anything in your mouth. Here's how I made it. So I took a whole pineapple. Yeah, I cut that. Okay, we edited that. And I don't have one of those little fancy pineapple cutters, so this how we cut pineapples in the Welcome to the Nash house. Once you kind of cut up your pineapples, you want to put them in a pot that's going to have a lid attached to it because you're going to be boiling all of your fruit. We got some organic strawberries. That's right, I said organic because I don't like pesticides, cousin, okay? Then we have this mango, and I don't know about y'all, but I get all my mango off my mango pit, okay? 2 cups of water. You want to put that in there twice. Make sure all the fruit is nice and even. And we're going to put the lid on and boil it on high. This is how it's going to look. It's going to smell good. We put some pure cane sugar and some dark brown sugar. Pure cane, they both non-GMO, okay, cousin? And we took scoops. I put like 3 cups of all of this into the blender. Blend it up. Now, you're going to say, well, you could have just left it like that. Nah. I could have, but I didn't want the fruit flying around in my stuff. So we're going to just get all of our juice out. Now, this sifter is one of them old school ones. You could probably use a cheesecloth, but I don't have one. I just got this old school one. This drink dispenser was given to me in a box that came from Five Below. Y'all know everything is $5 and up in that store. But good dispenser. Did that a couple of times with the sifter. Took out all of the fruit trimmings. I dropped in ice and some fresh lemon. Oh my God, this is the best fruit juice you will ever have, and it's good for your gut health. That's right, cousin, and your kids, because it's homemade. Let me know if you make fruit juice too.